Introducing the 1964 Pontiac Parisienne, a classic beauty that's just waiting for a new owner. This running car has been sitting for 6 years, but turns over and starts instantly. Registered in British Columbia, it's equipped with heavyweight springs installed in the front for a larger engine, making it a perfect canvas for your personal touch. Priced at only $4,000, this beauty can be taken home today. The owner may even assist with delivery for a small fee. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Next up, we have the legendary 1964 Pontiac GTO, a real classic that speaks for itself. This GTO is a documented factory 4-speed model with power steering, power brakes, and a power convertible top. Under the hood, it houses the powerful tri-power 389 engine. The car was fully restored in the early 2000s and has just 2,000 miles on the rebuilt engine and transmission, with over $40,000 in receipts. It comes with original hubcaps and a clean title. Priced at $67,995, this is a serious collector's dream. Feast your eyes on this stunning 1953 Pontiac Pathfinder, a true tribute to classic motoring. This all-steel car features a tilt front end and radius wheel arches, powered by a small block Oldsmobile engine with an Edelbrock intake. Recently rebuilt with a freshly reconditioned TH350 transmission, it rides smoothly at 60 miles per hour without skipping a beat. With rocket racing rims and a clean chassis, it's a perfect candidate for cruising or drag racing. Priced at $27,500 CAD or $20,000 USD, this car is a must-see. Check out this rare 1977 Mercury Comet, a Western Alberta classic with a deluxe Marty report. One of just 14 made that year, it boasts a full vinyl roof and is all original. With a fresh Manitoba safety inspection, this beauty is ready for the road. The car runs awesome and has a brand new vinyl top. It comes equipped with factory mags, a hood scoop, and the original interior, complete with an 8-track deck. At $23,000, it's a collector's gem. Don't wait too long. This car is bound to turn heads. Presenting the 1950 Chrysler Royal, a 4-door sedan with a rich history. With only 4 owners since 1950, this car was purchased new in Moosomin, Saskatchewan. After being untouched for decades, it's been lovingly restored with a rebuilt inline 6-cylinder motor. The 3-speed manual transmission offers a smooth ride, and everything works except for the clock. The car has been freshly painted and the seats reupholstered, making it a lovely classic that's ready for the road. Priced at $12,500, it's perfect for any vintage car lover. Here we have a 1973 Ford Mustang, an iconic American muscle car that's perfect for restoration. This Mustang features a 302 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. While the engine is currently dry-seized, this car is ideal for someone looking to restore a classic. Priced at $5,000 or best offer, it presents an exciting opportunity to breathe new life into this classic vehicle. Behold the impressive 1970 Pontiac GTO Convertible, a numbers-matching classic with only 2,173 built that year. Under the hood, it boasts a balanced and blueprinted 400 V8, paired with a turbo 400 transmission. The pepper green exterior is clean and rust-free, complemented by a sleek black interior with power options galore. This meticulously maintained GTO is a true collector's item at $52,000. It's a must-see for any serious car enthusiast looking for a timeless piece of American automotive history. Last but not least, we have a family-owned 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible, a true classic ready for new adventures. This Mustang features a true C-Code 289 engine with power top and power steering. It's a southern car, rust-free, and runs great. Though the paint could use some touch-ups, it's an older restoration that remains sturdy. Priced at $25,500, it's a fantastic investment for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. Financing and shipping options are available, and trades may be considered.